Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe video is going to be the ultimate Reuben. It's vegan and gluten-free, made with jackfruit. Okay, for the ultimate jackfruit Reuben, you need an ultimate brine. First, we start off with some salt, peppercorns, paprika, caraway seeds, turmeric or mustard, and dried herbs such as dried sage, rosemary, and thyme. We need garlic, beet juice, and gluten-free beer. There's your brine. Now we start shredding the jackfruit. This is the jackfruit. It's easy to shred. Just pinch it through your fingers, get rid of the seeds, and there you go. Kind of looks like a shredded corned beef already, but we want to make it look a little bit more like it. So that's where the beet juice comes in. I go ahead and cook some beets, eat those later, and use the juice. We marinate the jackfruit in the brine solution for 1 hour or overnight. That's best. While the jackfruit is marinating, let's start on our quick Thousand Island dressing. You need vegan mayonnaise, relish, ketchup, lemons, sweet chili, and salt. That's it. Put it into a bowl and whisk it up. Place it into the refrigerator and take it out when you're ready to put your sandwich together. Take your marinated jackfruit, drain it, and place it into a heated pan and fry it up. That's it. Now build this ultimate jackfruit Reuben. Jackfruit, vegan cheese, spinach, sauerkraut. Make it into a panini. You decide. Enjoy this amazing vegan gluten-free Reuben any time of the year. St. Patrick's Day, any day. And as always, have fun in the kitchen. Share my recipes. Don't forget to comment and let me know how you made it your own. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and visit Vegan Gluten-Free Life for the full recipe and my YouTube channel for more easy to follow recipe videos. Hope to see you soon. Bye.